Okay. We found the connector road. Hold on. Excuse me, rattlesnakes. Alright, I've seen this road before, Dave. But, oh yeah, from the sand area. Yeah, from the sand area, and I was wondering just where the hell it went. Now I know exactly where it goes because I've been on it, on the other end of it. Okay, this is alright, cool. Because you see, the next time we set up camp at the main camp area, this would be an ideal road to come down in the middle of the night for a night excursion because it's broad and it's a forest road, so you don't have to step on something you don't want to step on.
By the way, guys, I'm out here with Bigfoot under parole right now.
That's right. Dave's shooting a video.
I am. I'm shooting.
Dave's getting into video, man.
I'm shooting a video of Sam shooting a video.
How about that?
And going off forever.